Today, we're going to follow Alex, an international student who works part-time at a cafe. Through his busiest day at work, you'll learn useful everyday English, workplace vocabulary, and natural expressions. Let's get started. Good morning. My name is Alex. I am 26 years old. I am an international student. I am studying for a master's degree. I work part-time at a cafe near my university. Working here helps me support my studies. Today, I want to tell you about one of my busiest days at work. It was a day I will never forget. It was a Saturday morning. My alarm rang at 6 o'clock. The sun had just started to rise. I got ready quickly and headed to the cafe. The streets were still quiet. When I arrived, my manager Jake was already there. He was preparing for the day. I wanted to sleep longer, but I had an early shift, so I got out of bed and got ready. We started preparing the cafe for customers. We arranged cups, organized pastries, and checked our supplies. At 7 o'clock, we opened the doors. The day was officially beginning. Soon the first customers arrived. People ordered coffee, tea, and breakfast before work. The cafe became busier and busier. Customers kept coming through the door. The line started getting longer. Many orders came in at the same time. I worked quickly to prepare each one. A customer asked for a complicated order with extra shots, oat milk, and no foam. A customer asked for extra hot. A customer asked for not too hot. Each customer had their own preferences. Suddenly, the espresso machine stopped working. For a moment, everyone looked worried. We stayed calm. We worked together to solve the problem. Teamwork was very important. After a few minutes, the machine was working again. We were relieved and got back to work immediately. The cafe became even busier. Jake helped me serve customers during the rush. When the rush was finally over, I cleaned the counter and organized the cafe. The day was tiring but rewarding. I can't wait to come back tomorrow. Another day of learning, hard work, and great people. I'm proud of how far I've come already. I locked up the cafe with a sense of accomplishment and gratitude. Today was tough, but it was also amazing. Every challenge makes me stronger. I'm grateful for this experience, the amazing team, and the customers who inspire me every day. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed Alex's story and learned some useful English along the way. See you next time.